À tous de DDO, attention pour le décompte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Allumage des ESR et décollage. La propulsion est nominale.
The Amazon rainforest. Good views of our most powerful version of the Ariane 64 rocket, and we can see those 4 engines there, Loic, the 4 boosters. Yes. They're doing all the heavy lifting right now, aren't they?
Yeah, right now they are responsible of more than 85% of the thrust at liftoff. So basically they are doing the job right now. Of course, the Vulcan engine is working as well. And just to give you a few figures, each booster carries 142 tons of solid propellant, and it burns in only about 2 minutes. So imagine the power of these boosters. Once they have done their job and they are basically used all their propellant, they will be separated, and the separation sequence of the boosters is initiated automatically by the onboard computer. It detects when the acceleration of the launcher indicates it's time for separation. And today the separation should occur at around 86 kilometers of altitude.
Tous les paramètres à bord sont nominaux.
Good views there from our onboard camera. The range operations manager is telling us that everything is going nominally, everything is going according to plan. And I think we're going to see, I'm hoping that we will see those boosters separating with the cameras.
Yeah, really nice views. Huh? We're lucky the clouds have disappeared a little bit.
It was a bit cloudy when we lifted off.
At the beginning, yes. Didn't see much, but now it's really nice.
Coming up now to the separation of those boosters.
Séparation des ESR.
Quite see them there. We have confirmation. The range operations manager has confirmed that we've separated our boosters. So those live images coming to us with a few seconds delay for technical reasons, but that's the boosters moving away.
Yes, it's really nice to see these images. It's always a reward for the engineers who have been working on this project for many, many months. And we have the data, of course, but this kind of images is always a great reward.
La trajectoire est nominale, tous les paramètres à bord sont nominaux.
Next up will be the jettisoning of the fairing. Everything's going normally. The fairing, the top section of the rocket, we saw it on the ground.
Séparation de la coiffe.
Yes, it's a kind of a nose cone of the rocket, and it protects the satellites from the dust, humidity on ground, and of course during the crossing of the atmosphere, the friction of the air, which would be damageable for the satellites. So once we have exited the atmosphere, we can just get rid of the fairing gently. We can see it now.
Yeah, we've had it confirmed from the range operations manager. Look how those parts flex as they fall. It comes away in 2 halves, doesn't it?
Yes, 2 halves, and this kind of behavior that you see, the way they move is called the breathing modes, because it's very flexible to make sure that they don't break when they separate. But on the other hand, it's also very robust to be able to sustain all the mechanical loads, all the aerothermal loads that they have during the atmosphere, which are really important. So it's a very ingenious design, a mechanical design, this fairing. It's both flexible and robust at the same time.
Quick word about what you can see on the screen here. On the right-hand side, our trajectory. He's telling us that everything's going normally. The trajectory is the green line. The cross is the actual position of our launcher. And then below that, you can see our altitude, 175 kilometers and climbing. Our distance from the pad and our speed at the moment, Loic, we're traveling at, well, over 3 kilometers per second.
Per second, yes. Pretty fast.
Pretty fast. So the captain has now switched off the seatbelt signs. We can see our satellites in this animation on the bottom right of the screen. There's the big tank of fuel, the main stage, and Loic, we can see our satellites there.
Yes, they are exposed to the outer space for the first time now because the fairing has been removed, and we can see the 32 satellites of Amazon LEO. They are assembled on a kind of mast or pole that is the satellite dispenser. It is provided by Amazon, and it is accommodated on a conical structure that you may see in black, which is called the launch vehicle adapter. And this adapter has been specifically reinforced for this mission since we have a very heavy stack of payload on top. And now you can have a closer view of the Vulcan nozzle. The propulsion right now is done by the lower stage, and we are increasing our altitude. And as you said, Katie, we can see the track of the launcher in yellow, which is perfectly fitting with the planned trajectory in green.
And these animation images on the bottom right are